Hello there, welcome back to McKee Library's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about research guides. So let's begin with the basics. What is a research guide? In short, a research guide is a website that compiles library resources, both physical and online items, on a specific research topic or for a specific class. Students can use research guides to access a wide variety of library resources on their topic without having to hunt for which database or book would best fit their topic by themselves. So, how do I go about finding or accessing a research guide using the library website? To begin with, we need to start by navigating to the library homepage. The McKee Library homepage will be displayed on your screen as shown. From the homepage, notice the menu on the right side of the screen. Select the option entitled Research Guides from the menu. This screen will be displayed showing a drop-down menu of all the subject areas for which we have research guides. A wide range of topics are available from British literature to cancer to world music. The wide topic areas are listed alphabetically by subject. You can select the subject area of interest, such as history, and then, on the next page, select the tab of most interest to you, such as course guides or topic guides. For instance, let's stay on the Course Guides tab and then click on the course titled History 407. The History 407 research guide will then load as shown. This research guide includes multiple tabs that compile library resources about Islam, Christianity, and Judaism in the early history of the Mediterranean area. You might be wondering what resources are included in the research guides that McKee Library provides. Our research guides provide a wide variety of resources, from databases, to books, to journal articles, to academic films, all on many different topic areas, or sometimes for a specific class, all in one place for easy access by students or professors. That's it. You know what research guides are and how to access them using the library website. If you need further assistance, please visit the library website or call 423-236-2788. See you next time.